Ladybird Driving School is Ireland's only all-female instructor driving school. Our female instructors are trained to the highest standards available, guaranteeing our customers an outstanding service. If it's essential driver training you need, or indeed if you have a driving test coming up, then look no further. We have quickly become the choice of parents and students to deliver the EDT lessons efficiently and with ease, and getting you past the driving test the first time is standard procedure for us. Our mission is simple: customer success. We are driven to help you succeed. Our absolute commitment to this mission of customer success has elevated Ladybird Driving School to industry leader status, delivering the most comprehensive driving lessons. We deliver EDT lessons of the ultimate quality and guarantee that your records are uploaded to the RSA within 1 week of lesson completion. Our commitment to efficiency means no unnecessary delays for you. We deliver the best pre-test driving lessons in the business and ensure you pass your test first time. All our female instructors know the test routes inside out. We will guide you effortlessly to passing your test. Listen to what our customers are saying about their great lesson experiences with our highly trained instructors, and ask why our referral business is growing faster than any other driving school. At Ladybird Driving School, we guarantee customer success and the ultimate goal of passing your test first time.